Good morning, student. So today, my chapter unit one, planning in sports. Planning in sports. The topic is related to method of calculating teams in each half or quarter in a fixtures. In a fixtures, how give the quarters and halves in this match fixtures. Method of calculating team in each half. First, method of calculating each half, the essential point for a knockout tournament. For essential point for the knockout tournament in a fixtures. Previous class I taught is that 3 points: the total number of the teams, the total number of the matches, and the total number of the buys. But 4 point is related to this topic, method of calculating team and each half. Not about to the quarters and each half. हम कैसे फिक्चर्स में हाफ को देते हैं, हम किस प्रकार से फिक्चर बनाते हैं. दिस इज एसेंशियल पॉइंट. द पॉइंट नंबर 4, the total number of team in each half. In each half, the first point in the fourth number, if the number of team is in the power of 2. Once again, if the number of team is in the power of 2, if become easily to divide the team into two half. Easily divide the team into two halves. Suppose there are come in the 8 teams. 8 teams come in the tournaments. How the make the fixtures in each half? So 8 is number of team is in the power of 2. How's 8 equal to 2 into 2 into 2. There are the 3 factor of 2. So easily to divide the team into two halves. Eight teams. Simply divide. First, write down teams. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are the 8 teams. So divide easily in the upper half and lower half. Give the line between the 4 teams. There are the 4 teams in upper half, and they are the easily divided the teams in a fixtures. First fight to second teams, third fight to 4 teams, fifth fight to 6 teams, seventh fight to 8 teams, and this is the upper half and lower half. These are fixtures. These are all fixtures. In the fixtures, this is the upper half and lower half. Okay, student? Next, I will give the more example related to the fixtures. I have no problem, time problem. I have more time. एक एक घंटे भी मैं क्लास आपकी लेने की कोशिश करूंगा अगर मेरा टॉपिक पूरा नहीं होता है. So I give the number of the teams. If the number of team is in the power of 2, once again, it become easily to divided the team into two half. जिन टीम्स की वो नंबर जिसकी 2 के फैक्टर्स हो जाते हैं उसमें हाफ, अपर हाफ और लोअर हाफ को देने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती, इजीली बन जाता है सब. कैसे देखिए, what is the number of the, it is very easy to draw the pictures in case like that. 2 8 sorry 2 4 8 16 32 and 64. This number easily have the factors, मतलब 2 के फैक्टर्स जो है इसके आराम से हो जाते हैं. सपोज कि 16 teams come in the tournament. How make the give the half in the factors. So not a problem. Have the 16. There are the 4 factors of the 2. So first give the name of teams. 16 teams. Previous team is the 8, but this is 16 teams. So first write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. First write the 16 teams. Okay, this number of team is in the power of 2. Okay, so it become easily to divide the team into 2 halves. So there are the no issue, there are the no factors of the number of teams. There are the more factors. There are the 4 factors. 8 have the 3 factors of 2. So first, easy to divide the team into 2 halves. Okay, there are the 16 teams. So first I will give the one line between the team. Okay, there are half of teams. This is the first half, this is the second half. There are the 2 halves, first half and second half. First half will say upper half. Write down in the pictures upper half. And next, lower. Okay. So this is a topic related to the method of calculating team in the each half. So first, I am giving the factors teams 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64. There are the no problem. This number of the team is the power of 2, so become easy to divided team into 2 halves. So I will give the assignment related to the half 32 and 64. So you will solve in assignments. Okay, there are no problem. Easily divided the upper half in the lower half. Okay. Next, suppose Number of team is each half. But but if the number of team is not in the power of 2, once again, but if the number of team is not power of 2, the following procedure applied. अब कौन सी टीमें हैं ऐसी जिनके फैक्टर्स ट्रू के नहीं होते, मैंने आपको बता चुका हूं पहले से. तो सपोज okay, once again, if the number of team is not power of 2, the following procedure is applied. How? Okay, फर्स्ट, अगर 2 की पावर में टीम्स के नंबर नहीं है, क्योंकि फर्स्ट डिसाइड ही करती है, फर्स्ट you have to understand the number of teams. So if the number of teams is not the power of 2, the processing will apply. Number 1, upper half I will give the formula to the upper half and lower half. Upper half formula equal to total number of team plus 1 upon 2. They are the very easy formula. Sometime will come in this board papers and MCQ number questions. So first formula is the upper half equal to total number of team plus 1 upon 2. And next, for the lower half, total number of team minus 1 upon 2. Very easy formula. For upper half, the total number of team, suppose the total number of team 11, so 11 plus 1 upon 2, okay, 12 upon 2. In upper half, 6 teams. If the lower half, total number of team is 11 minus 1 upon 2 equal to 10 upon 2, 5 teams in the lower half. This is an example. But first you understand upper half and the lower half for related to the fixtures. Okay, once again. N is the number of teams. N is the total number of the teams. Okay. So I will give the one example from your books. What is the example? Sorry, what is the example? Is the example first. How many teams will be kept in the upper half okay. Example 1. What is example? Example is a total how many teams will be kept in the upper half and the lower half in 11 teams. 11 teams are participating in a tournament. These are related to essential point for the fixture drawing. The number of 4 point explain it. This the number of teams in each half. How to solve it? These are not question will come in the exam, but these are related for the fixtures, making the fixtures, draw the fixtures. कैसे जो है अपर हाफ को रखते हैं और कैसे जो है लोअर हाफ को रखते हैं. और ये कंडीशन ये एग्जाम्पल क्यों आया? एग्जाम्पल इसलिए आया कि if the number of team is not power of 2, this number is not power of 2. 11, 12, okay, these are not power of 2. So कैसे हम इसको जो है अप्लाइड करेंगे फिक्चर्स में 11 को? ओके, सो फर्स्ट एग्जांपल सॉल्व. First, total number of teams equal to 11 teams. Okay, and next, team in teams in the upper half what is the formula? Formula is the total number of team plus 1. What is the total number of team? N plus 1 upon 2. Okay, there any problem? No. So total 11 plus 1 upon 2 equal to 6 teams. Okay, 6 teams will come in the upper half. Okay, next, this is the formula in the upper half, and next, teams in the lower half equal to n minus 1 upon 2. What is n? N is the total number of teams. Okay, 11 minus 1 upon 2, 10 upon 2 equal to 5 teams come in the lower half. 11 टीम्स अगर है तो जब हम टीम को अपर हाफ और लोअर हाफ में डिवाइड करेंगे तो ऊपर की टीम में 6 टीम्स आएंगी और नीचे की टीम में 5 टीम्स आएंगी. किस कंडीशन में? देयर आर द 11 टीम्स. दिस एग्जांपल नीचे नीचे वाला जो एग्जांपल. ओके, once again, Okay. Next, if 13 teams how many teams will be kept in the upper half and the lower half if 13 teams are participating in a tournament? The total number of teams 13. N plus 1 upon 2 equal to 13 plus 1 upon 2. They are the 14 upon 2. Okay. 17 come in the upper half and lower half team in the upper half. Oh, ओके ये थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक हो गई यहाँ पर, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. ओके, टोटल नंबर ऑफ टीम 13. Team in the upper half equal to 13 plus 1 n minus n plus 1 upon 2 equal to 14 upon 2 equal to 17 in the upper half. In the lower half, team in the lower half 13 minus 1 equal upon 2 n minus 1 upon 2 equal to 12 upon 2 equal to 6 teams in the lower half. Okay, are you understand, student? I gave you the two example 11 teams and 13 teams. And previous, or there are the there are the factor of the two, so easily divided in the upper half and lower half. And this is the there are the no factor of the teams. So solve is the total number of the teams in the upper half and lower half. Total number of team plus 1 upon 2 for upper half and lower half. Total number of team minus 1 upon 2. This is solid. 11 teams and 13 teams. Once again. Okay. There, how many teams will be kept in the upper half and lower half of if the 21 teams is very important. 21 teams का जो पिक्चर जो है एग्जाम में कई बार बनाने के लिए आ जाता है. If the 21 teams are participating in the total tournament, the total number of the teams, the total number of teams is a 21. 21 plus 1 for upper half. Okay, n plus 1 upon 2 equal to 22 upon 2 equal to 11 teams. 11 teams will come in the upper half. Once again, there are a mistake once again. Total number of teams is the 21 teams for upper half. 21 plus 1 upon 2 equal to 22 upon 2. 11 teams is the upper half. Team is the lower half. Lower half formula is the total number of team minus 1 upon 2. So 21 minus 1 upon 2. 20 upon 2 equal to 10 teams will come in the lower half. This is the example. Okay. Suppose 11 team is participating in the tournament. how make the fixtures, yeah, how make the set in the upper half and lower half teams. तो देखते हैं कैसे इसको हम सॉल्व करते हैं. Suppose कि it will become in the 11 teams participating in the tournament according to the fixtures. Okay, so write down first teams. 1 teams, 2 teams, 3 teams, 4 teams, 5 teams, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, how will give the part in the upper half and lower half? How many teams come in the lower half and the upper half? There are the 11 teams. Suppose I will give the I will give the 12 teams. So how the possibles? There are the no factor of the 12. Suppose I will give you the 16 teams. For easily you divided in the between the upper half and lower half. But there are the 11 teams. So how possible? So I will give the one formula related to the upper half and lower half. Suppose 11 teams. Okay, solid is the extra paper. Solid is the rough papers. So 11 teams. They are the 11 teams. So total number is the 11 teams. For upper half, what is the formula? Total number teams plus 1 upon 2. Okay, equal to 11 plus 1 upon 2. Okay, equal to 12 upon 2 equal to 6 teams. 6 teams come in the upper half. Is it easily? There are the 6 teams in the upper half. But solid next the lower half. For lower half, for the lower half, and this is the upper half. Okay, total number of teams n minus 1 upon 2. The formula of the lower half equal to 11 minus 1 upon 2 equal to 10 upon 2 equal to 5 teams come in the lower half. Okay, solve it. For the related to fixtures, there are the upper half in the 6 teams and lower half in the 5 teams. This is the upper half and lower half related to the fixtures. Once again, these pictures, this picture is the 11 teams. So if I give you this line for the calculation and the calculation of the teams, so you don't write in the right side this line. Suppose I will give you teams is the 17 teams. Suppose for the upper half and lower half, the point is a 4, potential point. So I will give you 17 teams. Oh, 17. So write down first 17 teams in the draw pages, draw the picture page. Okay. These are teams. Okay. 1 team, 2 team, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, this number of teams is the power of 2. So what should it times? Okay, first write down 1 to 17, and there is a calculation page. This is not fixture page, this is a calculation page, and this is a fixer page. ये सिर्फ मैं आपको अपर हाफ और लोअर हाफ को डिवाइड करना बता रहा हूँ. फिक्चर जब मैं आपको समझाऊंगा तब आप, लेकिन चीजें यही काम आएंगी. एसेंशियल पॉइंट है, स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट्स है. ओके, इफ 17 teams calculations, they are the no factor of the 2, not divided easily. 17 teams कितनी ऊपर रखेंगे, कितनी नीचे रखेंगे. So calculate is the total number of teams, 17 for upper half, for upper half. Okay, so 17 teams will come in the tournament. So how they divided? It's the upper half and the lower half. 17 plus 1 for upper half, n plus 1 upon 2, 18 upon 2, 19 team will come in the upper half. For lower half, for lower half, 17 minus 1 upon 2 equal to 16 upon 2. 8 teams will come in the lower half. And it is 1 to 9. Give the one line. Divided is the upper half, lower half. And upper half 9 teams and lower half is the 8 team. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are the 8 teams. Okay, are you understand? For the upper half and lower half. After then, I will solve it. Give the quarters and between the upper half and lower half. Okay, this is a example for related 17 teams, 11 teams, 13 teams. और ऐसे ही जो हम नंबर आएंगे जिनको हम 2 के फैक्टर्स इजीली नहीं होते हैं, उसको हम इस तरीके से अपर हाफ और लोअर हाफ में डिवाइड करते हैं. ठीक है, ऊपर कितनी टीम्स आएंगी, नीचे कितनी टीम्स आएंगी. सो दिस देयर आर नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, टॉपिक इज द मेथड ऑफ कैलकुलेटिंग टीम इन द ईच हाफ, एंड आफ्टर देन आई विल teach the related to the quarters. Okay student, today क्लास थोड़ा सा लंबी हुई है. आज मैंने आपको जो है ईच क्वार्टर्स एंड ईच हाफ कैसे देते हैं फिक्चर्स, सो रिलेटेड टू द मेथड ऑफ कैलकुलेटिंग टीम्स, ईच हाफ और ईच क्वार्टर्स. In the next class, in the Friday, I will teach once again the quarters. After remainder is a 1, remainder is a 2, remainder is 3 in these conditions. And the next topic is the number of round in the knockout tournament. And give the more example related to these topics. और फिर उसके बाद pictures. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम इसको जो है बहुत आसानी से समझ पाएंगे और सीख भी जाएंगे. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस.